Hello, myself Sunu Ramakrishna. This is basically the next part of the language. If you create it, but if you do some changes basically in that product, that's very dangerous basically. Because that is not tested basically. That's why basically the chef concept basically came into picture in restaurant hotels basically. Why? Chef group basically, there are assumed that basically in this India basically there are most famous 100 chef. They only handles restaurants and hotels basically. Sanjeev chef, this chef, that chef. Their products are only basically displayed in the menu basically. Nothing else basically get displayed in restaurant hotels menus. Why? Because it's very dangerous basically. I'm telling you basically. It's very dangerous basically. Lots of people says that ये क्या है यार, दो प्याज काट के ये डाल दो वो डाल दो हो गया. But see the impact basically, how dangerous impact is basically. So it's not a normal task basically, it's very dangerous stuff basically. So very dangerous basically, I'm telling you basically. So one person told that yeah, it's very dangerous basically. The world has created and it's already created basically. Now you can't do anything basically. Now basically if you do any changes, this 1 lakh thing basically is there. That is a big error basically by the world creator basically. We can't basically we can't basically blame world creator basically, because if you are creating one normal cities also basically, see the things basically. So the person who created the world basically is a great person basically, but this error basically is there. So that basically they have to solve, and if they will solve this error, that is going to connect to the whole world changes basically. And mostly basically the changes happens in birth and death city, and if this both city basically keeps on changing, then the city world also basically keeps on changing, and these changes always happen basically. And this basically thing basically which I have told, that is a major change basically in entire sector basically. Even basically this is going to connect to the IT sector also basically, because lots of AI products basically are created and they are basically based on the certain level of data basically, which have some boundary, which have some conditions, and here basically the main conditions basically are changed. So that's means it's a big change basically. Next video.